Wonderful. One of the leading officers. Thank you so much. And as you can see, I told her you both are fit for the rest. Very well. Come. Hi, welcome Sakib. Anisa.
Hi, sir. This is Amit Gupta, CA. I'm riding Jet. He's great bike.
Our lovely company.
I've seen you in 83.
I'm glad, sir.
This is my right hand.
Hi, right hand.
Left hand.
Hi, left hand. What's happening?
Hi, Uma, come. Please. Come on. He's our wonderful co-lead actor. They are both acting in the film. Are you Uma? Uma, come here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
आइए
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so
Welcome
much.
to the city of temple.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here. Hi. How are you? Have you met every Sahaj Mile? Yes, we have met everybody. Ankita Mile? Hello. She's my like a baby. Hello. Hi.
अभी तो लेफ्ट हैंड था मैम अभी प्लीज जल्दी बदल दीजिए
No, she's right hand on mine. Sahaj is my left hand. They're students of mine from PBS.
Chaliye, thank you so much, Jammu. This is such a lovely welcome. Ritu Singh ji, she's been a lovely host and she's invited all of us. Actually, I met her in Srinagar when she had come to see a very special screening of our film Baby Do Die Do, and she's been very kind and gracious. She loved the movie and she invited not just me but the entire team of Baby Do Die Do to be here. I'll introduce everyone to you in just a minute. And it's just so lovely because I know Jammu is a place where not a lot of promotions happen, but I don't know why, and we all have to milk change that. So just the love that the city has given us has really been very wonderful. I want to introduce our director, Nachiket, to you. He's here. In order, that's Sakib, our producer.
नमस्कारम गाइस क्या हाल है जम्मू
That's Rachit. Rachit is acting in the film. He's opposite me. That's Marudhar. He's also an actor in the film, his first film. And of course me, Huma. Just really honored to be here, and we hope that the love that you've given us and shown us today, you'll continue to show on our film, and we'll be forced to come back the week after and then the month after. Yes, absolutely.
Limaji, about Jammu.
हाँ
What
जी.
is that one thing you really love about Jammu?
Love everything about Jammu. आज जम्मू जो है हमने मतलब पूरा दिल आपने हमें दे दिया है और हम सुबह आज आए और I think for me the people, the culture, the food, we had a lovely meal that Ritu Singh ji organized at her residence. We also spent the afternoon with some beautiful kids, who are from the local orphanage. They came and we spent some time with them. Just very blessed, not for promotion or anything, just to spend some quality time with those children. Yes.
What sessions you are having?
Well, the experience was really lovely. The film जिसकी हम बात यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है Baby Do Die Do. एक फिल्म है, नचिकेत ने डायरेक्ट की है एंड इस फिल्म में मैं एक ऐसी लड़की प्ले कर रही हूँ जो ना बोल सकती है ना सुन सकती है और वो एक हिट वुमन है और मुंबई शहर में कैसे वो एक लाल छतरी के अंदर उसकी गन है। तो बहुत मज़ेदार पिक्चर है, कमर्शियल फिल्म है और हम चाहते हैं कि ये फिल्म जैसे पूरे भारतवर्ष में लोग देख रहे हैं, जम्मू भी पे लोग देखें, उसे पसंद करें। और आज बहुत ही इसकी जम्मू की पहली स्क्रीनिंग रितु मैम ने आज यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज की है। सो वी वेरी ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम द ऑडियंसेस इन जम्मू आर गोइंग टू बी सीइंग द फिल्म। सो एक्चुअली हम आए थे उनसे मिलने के लिए जस्ट टू सी रिएक्शंस। तो ज़्यादा हम कुछ कहेंगे नहीं, आपको भी इनवाइट करते हैं, आप लोग सब प्लीज़ फिल्म देखिए और हमें अपने ब्लेसिंग्स दीजिए।
जम्मू का प्लान कर रहे हैं, जम्मू के आर्टिस्ट को भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर
Absolutely, I think Ritu ji will be a better person to talk about that. We've been discussing how we can actually promote movies here and do more for local actors, local filmmakers over here. But of course, ये बहुत लंबी conversation है, ये ना तो सही जगह है ना मंच है to get into specifics of it. But we can tell you and assure you that there's definitely we would love to do more, with Jammu.
Any future plan for shoot in Jammu and Kashmir?
सर आप बुलाओगे तो हम आ जाएंगे।
ज़रूर है। If you allow me to speak for a second, I'd like to first of all say Jai Deva and Atithi Devo Bhavo. Our guests are our God. I'm very delighted to host Uma and her wonderful cast, producer, director, all of them here in our beautiful city of temples at Jammu. जैसे उमा जी ने अभी कहा कि हम श्रीनगर गए थे और मुझे फिल्म बहुत ही पसंद आया। I am a big fan of Uma's not only in her acting skills, but as a woman to another woman. I feel that she is carrying a voice for a lot of us women. In this movie, the role that she's played will explain that women don't always have to be seen as femme fatales even in the film. First of all, that has really, really impressed me hugely. Another thing that impressed me about Huma in this particular film was, like she just said, that she didn't speak or there was no dialogue, so to speak, right? Yet, her skill, her acting skills, you can feel it. There's a rush, I'm getting goosebumps while talking about it. मुझे इस फिल्म को इतना अच्छा लगा. All her films I've loved in the past as well. She's brilliant. And apart from her entire cast, her producers, they're wonderful people. It's a soul connect really. And I must say, I was very touched and moved to know that Huma and her brothers have their Nanihal from Kashmir. So ये part मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी. मैंने कहा I can feel free to talk to her because we are one of the same people, right? और एकदम से हमारा connect, apart from a professional connect, it was a personal connect as well. Talking about, we will be talking at length to you as and when our projects take off. But yes, there is an outreach for Jammu. Yes, we advocate for Jammu also to be a location for food shooting films. We will talk to government. We will ask them to please encourage more and more films to be shot here. We welcome all our beautiful the film industry wholeheartedly and with open arms. We also want to say that the industrial policy for films is very, very, very bright and very productive. So we'd love to have you. There is a lot of talent in Jammu Kashmir also, as you're aware. We have musicians, we've got designers, we've got script writers, we've got photographers, for the background, the things that go into making a film. So it'd be nice to engage those people here.
Yes,
You'll see today we've got at the audience, Huma, you'll be happy to know this was a seat of a 390. We have a waiting outside already.
How lovely.
It's absolutely
How lovely.
packed. We're houseful.
This is
doesn't
all
allow.
thanks to you. And
No,
all
it's thanks to
the
you.
media.
I wanted to know how Jammu
नहीं मैम
is.
ये
like-
रोज कराना है आपने
जरूर करेंगे. So that's it, and a very warm welcome to you on behalf
Thank
of
you so
Jammu.
much. Thank
We
you.
really welcome you.
Thank you.
This is your home away from home.
Always, always.
And
Thank you.
Jaykara Sherawalida, bol Sanjay Darbar ki jai. Thank you.
Umaji, one small question.
Yes, yes.
Umaji, one small question. You have already shot Maharani here.
Ji.
How is Maharani feeling with the Maharaja's family?
We wanted to call it Maharani Square.
No, this is her home, and I've loved having her. And we are only giving her Jammu ka khana, डोगरी खाना है, कश्मीरी खा के आए हैं वाजवान श्रीनगर से. अब हम जम्मू के आज जरूर क्योर भी खिलाएंगे और हम
मैं एक बात बोलूं वैसे?
कोतरू खिलाएंगे और हम राजमा तो खिला चुके हैं. अब कड़म का साग और जम्मू के पत्ते वाली कुल्फी भी खिलाएंगे.
देखिए हम तो सिर्फ ना हम
हाँ,
जंगली मटन भी बोला था
खट्टा मीट हमारा कोरिया हम खिलाने जा रहे हैं. And I'm very happy, really happy to have Huma and her lovely family with us.
मैं एक
And
बात
thank you
बोलूंगी
media,
आपके
all of
सवाल
you.
के लिए. हम तो सिर्फ ऑन स्क्रीन महारानी है, रियल लाइफ महारानी को खाना पड़ा पहली
ना, ना,
बार. वो
बिल्कुल.
खातिरदारी जम्मू अच्छे से करेगा हमारी. डोंट वरी.
And the best part was, I want to tell all of you, my brothers in the media, that we started today with, as we believe in inclusive society, we started with calling all the children. We had 140 children from Balgram who had come home and they received Huma today. हमने लंच खाया उनके साथ, गाने भी गाए, मज़ेदार कहानियाँ भी सुनाए और उन बच्चों ने इतना एंजॉय किया. हमने पूछा भी था उनको कि आप मूवीज देखते हैं. They said yes, हम देखते हैं. So we will definitely get them also, to be part of our society in every way. Today you have a lovely crowd. We'll talk about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you.